Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add funds to your BullX account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we get started, if you want to save on trading fees, you can use my sign up link in the description below to get a 10% lifetime discount on BullX. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is to log into your BullX account, and then you'll land on the home page that looks like this. And then you want to hover over the left hand menu, and then from here you want to click into Wallet Manager. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to be transferring Solana from my Phantom wallet to the BullX trading bot. Now, as you can see on this page, on the right hand side we've got add funds in under primary wallet. That's hit here. I've only got the one wallet. Go ahead and click on the add funds. And now, since we're using Solana via the Phantom wallet, make sure to switch the currency to Solana. So at the moment it's set to ETH, so when you change that to Sol, like so. Your BullX deposit address will update. This is the wallet you'll be sending funds to. Now you can either scan this QR code or simply click to copy the wallet address. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on copy. Now from here we need to open up our Phantom wallet. So if you don't have Phantom wallet, just do a Google search and search for Phantom wallet Google Chrome extension, and go ahead and add that extension and log in or create an account. And because I've already got an account here, I'm going to open up and log in. Alright, so I'm opening up my wallet here, and now I'm going to enter my password to unlock. Now inside your Phantom wallet you want to click on the send icon and then choose Solana as the currency, and then you need to paste in the BullX deposit address you just copied, which is here. So I'm going to paste that in like so. And now from here, enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Let's say 5 Sol for this demonstration. I've got insufficient balance. This is just for demonstration purposes. And then you want to click next, review the details, and confirm the transaction. And now in just a few moments your 5 Sol will appear in your BullX wallet, and that's it. Your BullX account is now funded and ready for trading. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more BullX tutorials.